Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add a pie chart to your presentations on Gamma AI. So let us guide you through it. So navigate to your presentation on Gamma AI. Let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes and navigate to the card or slide here on the left panel or create a completely new card specifically for the pie chart. So let me do that really quickly. Click into plus new here. Give your slide a title like, I don't know, pie chart example or something like that. And next guys, what you want to do is skip to the next block by pressing enter. And what you want to do is navigate to charts and graphs here to the right and select pie chart. But you can also go for bar chart, a line chart, column chart, donut chart, a blank diagram, a calendar. So let me go for pie chart and let me drag it here to that slide. Release the left mouse. And now you can customize your pie chart. As you can see here to the right, you will see the preview. So to the left, you may, for example, add more columns and rows to the given pie chart and or reduce these if you don't want to use them, for example, by right-clicking into them and select delete column as well as delete the row. Of course, you can fill in these cells. For example, they will be represented in that pie chart. We got apple, for example, key lime, and cherry for various fruits. So you can click into the text and let me go with strawberries, for example. And you will see these changes here to the right. And what you want to do also, guys, is apply values also for these cells, because these items need to be represented in numbers, for example, in that pie chart. So let me go with apple represents how many counts. So let's go with 13. And the strawberries, we got 21 and 7 cherries. And you will see the distribution in that pie chart here. So it is actually not too complicated, I'd say. And you can change the chart type also to other types like donut, line chart, and see these numbers and values represented in the preview. And you can also click or enable show values and show labels. And now you will see both the values as well as the labels represented in your chart. So this is how you edit it. Once you're ready, guys, simply click into that X button here and you will see a pie chart represented and added to your slide, and that's it. If you'd like to customize it again, simply click into it and after that click into edit chart data or edit it from here, for example. May change the color theme or change the chart type, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.